If you are wondering if you have to purchase the original power adapter, Motorola's power adapter, to charge Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, then the answer is no, you do not need original power adapter. You don't need specifically Motorola's power adapter to be able to charge this phone. You can get chargers made by other brands as well. For example, I use a power adapter that is made by Realme. I also have a Xiaomi's power adapter. In fact, both are USB-A power adapters, so they have that bigger USB port. And it works just fine. I can still use that power adapter in order to... I mean, both of them. I can use both of them to charge the phone. Both of them work. So if you want to purchase a power adapter, or if you have to purchase a power adapter, but you don't want to get Motorola's power adapter, that is completely fine. If you already have a power adapter, let's say from your previous phone, most likely it is going to work as well, as long as you have a cable that fits both your power adapter and Motorola Edge 70 Fusion. So that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.